Hello and welcome to our video on how to request seeds through the Exchange. We'll start here on the home page, which is found at exchange.seedsavers.org. And there are a few different ways we can do our search. We can either go into a certain plant type category. We can start searching seeds here with this button, which will take us to the filtering page. If we have a keyword, we can enter that here at the top. And I'll enter corn to see all of the results for corn listings. Now, since this is quite a bit, we'll want to narrow it down. And to do that, we can use the fields on the left here. So we can say vegetables. We can say corn as the plant type. And we can even enter a certain variety, a certain modifier, or a specific state or region. In this case, I do know that I want to look for a certain variety, and here it is. I'll click on that, and we see this loony corn listing is offered by someone in Iowa. I'll click here, and now we can read the entire description for this variety. We can see the modifier, see the price, and to learn more about the person who's offering this, we'll want to enter their profile. And to do that, we'll click here at View Profile and Listings. This will prompt you to enter your email and password if you have an account. If you don't, you are able to enter your name and email on the right here to become a member of the Exchange. All right, now that we're logged in, we can see that Michael is offering this loony corn. We can read about him and his gardening practices, see his specific order instructions, his payment preferences, and we can go to view all of his listings. Since loony corn is the only corn variety that I'm interested in at the moment, I'll click on that again, and it'll take me back to that listing page. Here I have the option to either request it right now, or if I want to continue browsing, I can just add it to my wish list where I'll return to it later. In this case, I'll request now, which leads us to a form that details, again, the lister's specific order instructions, listings that I've selected I would like to request from this lister, and a price associated with them. I'll enter my shipping details and select an option from the payment preferences the lister has outlined. If you select PayPal, it will lead you to an external website, or if you pay via a different online payment, that will also direct you to a different website to complete your payment there. Another option would be to select cash or check, and you can even include a note to the lister. And once you have everything entered, hit Request Seeds down at the bottom. Once you've hit that button, an email notification will be sent to the lister to let them know that you've requested seeds. And if you need to look back at your requests, you can go to My Account, click on My Requests, and you'll be able to see a record of all the requests you've made over the years. This has been a quick rundown on how to request seeds on the Exchange. If you ever have an issue, please feel free to contact us using the information on the Connect page. And it's important to remember that these are individual gardeners who are sharing seeds out of the kindness of their heart and out of their passion for sharing seeds. And it's important to be courteous and respectful of their time. And please abide by their order instructions whenever applicable. If you don't receive your seeds as quickly as you would maybe have hoped, feel free to send them a reminder or check in according to their communication preferences. If you need to reach out to us with any questions, please do so. We are happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, and happy requesting.